Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Windows 10 build 18850. So this is part of the 20H1 development branch and the final build of this development branch will be released sometime in April 2020. So without any further ado, let me show you the version number. So as you can see, the version number hasn't changed. It is still 1903 and OS build 18850. So let me show you the blog post. So here is the blog post. So this build was released yesterday, and as you can see, for the viewers watching this video for the first time and on my channel first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel because as you can see, some things we are working on 20H1 require a longer lead time. We will begin releasing 19H2, which is 1907. Which will be released in October 2019 inside later this spring after we get 19H1 nearly finished. So we can expect 19H2 builds sometime in April. To expect 20H1 changes, if you want actual changes, then you need to wait till October. Now what changes we are seeing is it is reflecting from 19H1. So what changes occurs to 19H1, they take place here also, and the changes from 19H2 will also be reflected in this build, in this development branch. Sorry. So as you can see, the Snip and the Sketch version, it has been updated, they say that, but I did not get the update. I've checked for the updates, and let me show you the screen snip feature. So as you can see, if I go to settings and if you can see the version number, and you can see the version number, it is still an old app. I have checked for the update, but I haven't received the update, so I cannot show you the new changes. And if you go to the general changes, there have been improvements to the Windows key plus period, which is for the emoji 12.0. I can show you that, which is Windows key and period, you'll get the emoji. And we have the new cow emoji, I don't know what that is, and we have math symbols, lots of them. Yes, you can enjoy new emojis. I think there are 7 of the new emojis have been added. If you didn't know, emoji 12.2 is the new standard, and even Android doesn't have this, I suppose. So enjoy new emojis, and other than that, lots of them are fixes. But the one thing that I would like to mention is that normally when you install the Windows 10 or upgrade Windows 10, you will see the Edge browser opening up and giving you the features of the new build, or it will say your Windows 10 has been updated, something like that. But this time Edge browser didn't come up and didn't give me that notification. I think it's because we are moving on to the Chromium based Edge browser. I have seen screenshots of them, they look nice. I hope they bring the mixture of Edge plus Chrome, and I think it will be cool. If you subscribe to my channel, I will keep you updated with the developments on the Chrome browser, Chromium based Edge browser and all that. And if you want to watch the new build videos, please subscribe to my channel. And I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, please hit the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys in the next build video. Bye bye.